listen to this track.
Yeah. What up, guys? It's GamingEthos on the track. This right here is for all y'all who keep getting cheated by them campers. I know that feel, bro. Tell you what. Yeah. When they walk on by, they see me camping like damn me high. I find a dark place to hide, waiting for you creeping with that Type 95. This is how I roll, dark corner portable, raging out of control. This is my time to shine, and I hope the other team like my SMG9.
Oh! Hey, man, look at that camper. Oh! Man, look at that camper. Oh! Man, look at that camper. Oh! I camp out. Man, look at that camper. Oh! Man, look at that camper. Man, look at that camper.
I camp out when I join in the game. This is what I do. Everybody pissed cause they camping like you. I got my portable erected and I ain't afraid to show it. Show it, show it, show it. Yeah, I'm camping and I know it. Yeah. Go out to all you campers around the world, camping whether it's Call of Duty, Modern Warfare 3, Modern Warfare 2, Black Ops 2, what it is, we got you. When I camp so hard, oh my god. Even when they try hard, they get pissed when I kill them with their HCR. This is how I roll, I'm killing all of them, they getting out of control. Raging so hard to leave the party. Post-migration, you know that's a party. Hey, 1 is fun and 2's a party, but when there's 3, you know it's hard and funny. Until I'm like, fuck, I got the C4, come on, let's go, let's crash this party. Man, look at that camper. Man, look at that camper. Man, look at that camper. I camp out. Man, look at that camper. Man, look at that camper. Man, look at that camper. I camp out when I join in a game. This is what I do. Everybody pissed cause they camping like you. Yeah, I'm camping and I know it. I'm camping and I know it. I'm camping and I know it. Yeah, he knows it. He knows it. He knows it. He knows it. Yeah, I'm camping. Shout out to T-Major. Yo, home. Suck it. Foliation 1, son. I know y'all hate it when I kill you in one spot when I'm camping, and then you come back for some more, and I switched on you, and I went to the other corner, and I still kill you. Shout out to all the campers of the world. We hate you. I'm done. Peace out, guys.
That's when they figured it out.
They'll always need campers like us.
Those who are willing
To do what others cannot.